Hi everybody, it's Precious Pioneer and welcome back to my channel. I feel like it has been so long. I took like a month off. I was so busy with school and work and projects. But yeah, let's jump in.
Help you make video, but I not have fucking idea how to make the video. You understand me now? Oh! ¿Me entendiste?
Sí, claro. No, número 4. It's too early for us, clearly.
What? It's too what?
It's too early. Está muy temprano para nosotros.
We have coffee.
I do. You're struggling. Get the door.
Okay.
Good morning, everybody.
Good morning, everybody.
I'm going to try, and I know it's been a while since I made a video. We're on our way to school. It's usually pretty loud in the morning, to be honest. Dee-dee-dee, dee-dee-dee-dee, dee-dee-dee, dee-dee-dee. ¿Qué tal? Buenísimo.
Pero todo lo demás es...
They made like
Yo
a
escuché
gumbo
pollo, ternera.
with sofrito, rice, vegetables, meats. Super good.
Super good.
¿Cómo dijiste?
Super good.
your hand.
She's controlling.
Damn.
Don't move your head. If you move your head, it's... I'm not a mustache.
Fantastic. Okay.
Damn, bro.
You have to dance.
I can do this.
Yeah.
But with the cap it's more difficult.
No, not even. I actually prefer the cap.
Wow.
You find your center of gravity. Shit.
Not even.
Yeah, just find your center of
Okay,
gravity.
try film.
What are you doing if you don't know where your
can-
center of gravity is?
Flavio, I will kick your ass, bro.
Oh, how? Can I see if I can find my center of gravity?
Where's your own water?
It's in the butt. Find your center of gravity.
Try the middle. If the middle doesn't work, try
I'm
like
trying to
in
find
front.
my like flat part of my head.
It's just like
Almost had Anthony, your bottle's empty as fuck. It doesn't count.
Yeah,
It's
yeah,
way easier
that's
to do
cheating.
like that.
That's cheating.
No,
No,
because ours are top heavy. Yours is bottom heavy. Yeah, trade. Yeah, okay, way easier. Okay, let's see, Anthony. Let's see.
Oh, I did yours like 2 seconds.
I think both can do it in 2 seconds.
that's easy. That's way easier.
Find your center.
Oh my god, Anthony. Fucking physics, my guy.
All I did was have a water bottle. Who knew?
Cervecería.
El pájaro se llama kiwi. Yo creo que el kiwi es el pájaro.
Ahora estaba enfocada en
¿Vale? Bienvenidos a Dos Kiwis.
Quiero una milk stout.
The milk stout?
Yeah, I want that one.
Alright.
Yeah.
Grande?
Sure.
Yeah?
Sure. Do you like this one?
I do.
Okay.
It's a lot. It's like coffee and sweet.
Yeah, that's why I like. I really like stouts a lot. Gracias. Of that wonderful trip, seeing the rice fields and the apple fields and learning about plants and things like this, we came back to some bad news that someone in our class had tested positive for COVID, and so I'm in quarantine again. We're off of school for maybe 10-12 days to make sure that everybody's safe and cleared to go back. So even though it's such a damper, you know, lemons out of lemonade, I finally have time to be quarantined and create videos for you guys. Let me know what kind of videos you want to see in the future, because I want to try all kinds of different things. I've been really into food styling lately, so if you're interested in that, let me know. But I hope to just carry you along on my adventures a little bit more. I've been stepping out of my shell and finally getting accustomed to the life of Barcelona. You know, I've only been here for like 7 months now, and I think I'm finally getting into like the groove of like what's there to like love and to explore, you know. And so I've been taking long walks and going up to the mountains, to the beach, to really cool buildings, things like this. So stay tuned and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.